Welcome to Math with Market. Today we're gonna solve a really nice math problem from Romanian Math Olympiad. So let's solve it. If I have x to the power of 8 minus x squared over x to the power of 4 minus x squared, that's equal to 9. X is a real number and we want to find x in this really nice equation. So let's solve it. On the top I want to factor x squared. So I will have x to the power of 6 minus 1. And for the denominator, I want to factor again from x squared. So I will have x squared minus 1, and that's equal 9. So we want to cancel x squared on the top and on the denominator. So I will have x to the power of 6 minus 1 over x to the power of or x squared minus 1, that's equal to 9. So before I write this, I want to show you a really nice point. For example, if you have, let me write it here. For example, you have a cube minus b cube. For example, you can write it as a minus b times a squared plus b squared plus a b. That's a really nice point. If I use this one, I can write x squared cube minus 1 over x squared minus 1. So I can write it as x squared minus 1 according to the purple point. I will have x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus x squared, right, over x squared minus 1. So let me scroll down, and that was equal to 9. And in this situation I can cancel x squared minus 1 from the top and on the denominator. So I will have x to the power of 4 plus x squared plus 1 is equal to 9. So it means we have x to the power of 4 plus x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. So here we want to use a substitution to solve our equation. I want to write x squared as, for example, t. So we will have t squared plus t minus 8 is equal 0. So we in this situation we have a quadratic equation. However, I have a video that proved how to use a formula to solve a quadratic equation. You can check that video if you don't know, but I write it for you here. For example, you have ax squared plus bx plus c, that's equal 0. So x will be equal minus b, positive and negative, square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. I proved that formula. Why is that correct? And I put the link of that video in description. If you don't know, check that video. Send it. So from this one, our equation t will be equal minus 1 positive and negative square root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 over 2. And it means we have minus 1 positive and negative square root of 33 over 2, and that's t. And we know that t was equal to x squared, but we know that x squared is always positive, and you know that negative 1 minus the square root of 33 is always negative. So it can be our answer. It means that we have x squared equals minus 1 plus, let me clean it. minus 1 plus square root of 33 over 2. And we didn't want x squared, we want to find x. So x will be equal positive and negative square root of minus 1 plus square root of 33 over 2, and it means our equation had two really nice answers. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.